The Nemean served as a member of the Dark Angels during the Great Crusade and Horus Heresy. Born on Terra during the earliest years of the Adeptus Astartes, this nameless warrior survived the devastating Third Rangdang Xenocide whilst fighting alongside the Space Wolves Legion during 890.M30. Incurring grievous wounds during the conflict, the Nemean's face bore masses of scars hidden under his ragged hood, and spoke little of the events of this accursed war to his peers. Establishing the Black Shield warband, known as the Dark Brotherhood, during 007.M31 of the Horus Heresy, following the birth of the Ruin Storm, this independent empire hunted the Xenos and human pirates of the Pale Stars, with their veteran leader earning the title of the Gloaming Slayer. Incorporating survivors of the Istvan V dropsite massacre and even traitor legionaries into the fold, these estranged sons of the Astartes established a base of operations within the Eridane Cataract. Harried by the Alpha Legion under the command of their strike commander, Ijax, intending to claim the system in the name of the War Master, the Dark Brotherhood conducted hit-and-run tactics in order to disrupt the Hydra's infiltration of the planetary governances. Hearing word of the Scarred Master's involvement, Malcador the Sigillite dispatched the Knights Errant, Nathaniel Garrow, to meet with the Nemean on the world of Optera IV in order to offer him a place within this clandestine organization. Requesting information as to the fate of his Primarch, Lion L. Johnson, with no news to offer, Garrow regardless convinced the Nemean to accept the Sigillite's offer of new allegiance. His Black Shield warband bereft of leadership, its organization fractured in the ensuing years as the Horus Heresy continued to escalate, yet the Nemean found new purpose, fighting the Shadow Wars of the Knights Errant. Clad in Voidheart and Kithairon warplate, said to predate the foundation of the Imperium by many millennia, the Nemean's Calibanite Flambard slew many an enemy of the Imperium in the years that followed. Issuing his former moniker and assuming his new name, Epimetheus, as a founding member of the Grey Knights chapter. Likewise to his brethren, his Dark Angel's gene seed was removed and replaced with the genetic materials of the Emperor himself. Sealing a demonic incursion from the world of Pythos, the newly established Grey Knights found the means by which the immense tide of demons had spawned the Damnation Cache. Volunteering to stand vigil upon the world of Pythos, Epimetheus lay dormant within suspended animation for 10,000 years as the Imperium decayed. Awakening during 961.M41 in order to protect his charge, with the arrival of Abaddon the Despoiler to the death world of Pythos, a chance to aid both the inheritors of his legion of old and descendants of his own creed presented itself. Supreme Grandmaster Azrael of the Dark Angels and Supreme Grandmaster Kaldor Drago of the Grey Knights fought the Black Legion's invasion of Pythos, unaware of the true intention of the Despoiler and Sinchian demons besieging its surface. The Pandarax campaign cost many lives to the Adeptus Astartes and mortal defenders of the Katakan jungle fighters, the strategic ingenuity of Colonel Deathstrike earning him de facto governorship of the planet until the campaign's conclusion. Yet as Abaddon's forces drew closer to the gateway portal of the Damnation Cache, reinforcements of the Red Corsairs arrived in orbit and descended upon the surface to aid in its reactivation. Confronting a Lord of Change during his defense of the cache, Epimetheus banished the demon using its true name, and in the subsequent skirmish was captured by the Despoiler. The Grey Knights managed to seal the Damnation Cache once more and fortify its wards, continuing to subdue minor warp rift incursions across the planets henceforth. Yet within the bowels of the vengeful spirit, Epimetheus languishes to this day, his black carapace ripped from his skin, progenoid gland removed, tongue cut from his mouth, eyes and mouth sewn shut, and gene seed offered to the spider of the Third Legion, Fabius Bile. His endless torment, induced by the pariah blanks stitched to his back, among the worst fates suffered by any living soul.